This one's tricky. So what is the value of x and y? So we have two unknowns that we're going to have to solve for. We're going to have to find x, and we're also going to have to find y. So what do we know? Just learned about isosceles triangles. What do we know about the sides opposite base angles of an isosceles triangle? These two lengths right here. What do we know about those two lengths? Knowing that the base angles are the same. What do we know about these two lengths?
The same.
Should be the same, right? Can I draw on this one? Yes, I can. So I'm going to fill in my 26 there. That's something we know. Okay, what else do we know? This is an equiangular triangle. All of them should be away. There we go. Okay. These two angles are the same, which makes these two sides the same. These two angles the same, which makes these two, all the sides are going to be the same. All the angles are the same, all the sides are going to be the same. So if this length is 26, that length is 26, that length is 26. So I'm going to put the 26 here, because we know that. Anyone have a suggestion on how we could find y now? In a different color. Those sides should be the same. They should be equal, they should be congruent. So we can write an equation. What's the equation?
5y plus 1 equals 26.
Let's do it. I hear music. I'm getting 5. Did you get 5? Okay. Is there a table for this one? Well, is there a table down here? Yes, let's put it in. Okay, we're good. All right, we're getting somewhere. So now we have to find x. Anyone have any suggestions? Do we know if all three of these angles are the same? What do the measures of each of those angles have to be? If the sum of all the interior angles in any triangle is 180, and all three of these have to be the same, each one should be what? Man, y'all are quiet today. If all three of the angles add up to 180 degrees, and they're all the same, what do each one individually have to be?
60.
How do you know that?
If you divide
180 by 3? So each is 60, because 60 times 3 is 180. And we know that because 3 times 6 is 18, and then you add a 0. Okay. So, in a different color. Oh, that was terrible. Okay, but pretend like that was a good little semicircle there. This is a straight line. This is a tricky problem. This is a straight line. That angle is 60. In the last unit, we learned how to write an equation from this type of diagram. This is 180. This angle is 60. How do I write an equation to solve for x? I've seen you guys do this many times, so I know you know how to do it. You want me to redraw that diagram, just that part? Or are you guys just being quiet and know how to do it? Okay, I'm gonna draw it. This is 8x degrees, and this is 60. Together, they're 180. So how to write an equation from this diagram? Because that's the same over here. A lot of other stuff. Anyone? What do you think?
8x plus 60 equals 180.
Let's do it. Come on, mouse. Oh my gosh, where's my mouse? There it is. Okay, 8x, and you guys are doing this. 8x plus 60 adds up to 180. What are you getting? How do you divide 120 by 8? I know you're using Desmos, but in your head, this is how you do it. 8 goes into 12 one time with 4 left over. I'm gonna put the 4 right here with the 0. That looks ridiculous. Let me try that again. Small little 4. 8 goes into 40. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So that's what I do in my head when I divide like long division. I'm getting 15. Are you getting the measure of x is 15? Okay, I'm gonna type it in. Yes. Now we go up here and we read the question again to make sure we answered what they asked, and they're asking for the value of x and y. So we're done. That was hard. This is the kind of question that will be on your SOL. There's a lot going on. They give you information. There's multiple variables. It's a lot. Okay, good. Ooh. Peace out.